Legal Minute Time with Martin Harding and Mazzotti at 1-800-LAW-1010. Got the Paul man in this week. Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Mary.
Hey there. So I'm reading this article about this mother who's going to jail for baptizing her daughter, something to do with a custody battle?
Yeah, so, boy, that has just made wave after wave nationally here. And when you boil it down legally, what you really have is mom who's sort of violating a court order, right? So dad's got full custody, and he's allowed to make the decisions for medical procedures, what school to attend, what sports to attend, or that the child can play. And one of the things is what religion. So, but certainly a tricky topic.
Sure.
Yeah.
It is.
Interference of church and state?
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, so you got this situation where it really boils down to a judge saying to her, hey, listen, you're not listening to me. Meaning you're not listening to a court order. It has nothing to do with religion, has nothing to do with, it just has to do with respecting the court. But to your points, now you've got this other component, which anytime you bring up, the fact that someone's going to jail for religion, at least that's the byline, right? That's the one that's sort of selling the article around the country. You've got all sorts of groups coming in to support her. Yeah. You've got all kinds of kind of negative backlash towards the courts and towards the father. And oddly enough, the father attends a Catholic church. Yeah. Mom's Catholic, and she was baptized Catholic. So it was probably something they were going to do, but Dad wasn't invited.
Jail time that's a rough one, though. Going to jail for 7 days.
Yeah, and if you flip the facts around, and, you got the woman who's got full custody, and you got the guy who's out there, and he's just sort of like taking the kid and doing things that they're not consistent with the court order. You do see that occasionally. For not paying child support. You can go to jail for not paying your child support.
Well, yeah.
That makes sense.
Right.
Yeah, right. That one we all kind of say, yep, there we go. Wake up call. Wake up call, Mom. You got to support your child. So this one, real tricky. I believe that, she's going to end up doing 5 of the 7 days, and we may hear more about this because at this point, again, other factions are coming in to provide so much support to her and shine so much light on this issue.
I didn't realize that he had full custody. I thought it was shared custody, so that makes a difference too.
It does, but again, just one of those things that, when I say this article has had millions of hits, it's had millions of hits.
Okay, we'll have to keep updated on that. Paul, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, guys, talk soon.
It's 1-800-LAW-1010 for Martin Harding and Mazzotti.